All right, here I have a 2026 Nissan Rogue with the 1.5 liter engine, and I'm going to show all the oil change info. Now, this one has a lot of information, so make sure you're paying attention because it does have two different type of drain plugs. First of all, it takes 0W20, 5 quarts or 4.97 quarts. The drain plug size is a 14 millimeter if it's a metal, or if it's a plastic, it's an 8 millimeter hex. The drain plug torque is 25 foot-pounds if it's metal, and if it's the plastic one, it doesn't have any a torque spec. You just turn it until it clicks into place. And then down here is the OEM filter number, the OEM crush washer. If it's the metal one, you got to replace that if you want to, and the OEM drain plug, because they want you to replace the plastic drain plug. If you have that one, they want you to replace it every oil change. All right, so starting here at the top, you got your oil cap at the top, or oil fill, and right here on the side is your dipstick. And then here at the bottom of the car, you have a shield with about 16 clips, plastic clips, maybe 15. And then towards the front, you have two 10 millimeter bolts that are circled in blue. I try to circle all of them, but that's about all of them right there. And then once you remove it, here on the passenger side, you have your oil drain plug and your filter in the front. Now here I have the plastic drain plug, and as you can see here, it says do not reuse it, and to torque it max to 3 Newton meters. And you don't really have to torque it. Here where I put these arrows, these tabs on the drain plug are, you know, that's where you stop turning the drain plug on the tabs. All right, because you don't want to go past that because you're going to break the tabs, and then you have a loose drain plug. And then here's an OEM picture of what it looks like. As you can see here on the left, that's the drain plug, or the plastic one. It says no torque. And right here on the right side, the metal one, there's the torque, 33.5 Newton meters, or all the way to the side. If you see, it says 25. On these Nissan schematics, the last number is 25 foot-pounds. All right, and here's just another picture of that plastic one. So yeah, you just turn it until it clicks into place and the tabs meet each other. This is the OEM filter, like I said. This is the OEM drain plug gasket. If you have the metal one, it's copper. And then this is the plastic drain plug. That's the part number. And then you could get them in a set of 5 because, like I said, they want you to replace them every time. And then to reset the oil life, you're gonna turn your car on, and you're gonna be using these buttons here on the left side of your steering wheel. You're gonna use the scroll and go to the side. You're gonna use the side buttons to go all the way to the side to settings, right there. So you click the scroll, and then you scroll down to maintenance, right here, and then you click that, and then you can reset your oil control system, which usually I do. So I click it, click down, go down, click, and then oil and filter also. So you go down, and then that's about it.